Why are people suddenly using AI for everything from writing and art to business, school, and everyday life? Some people fear it, some people depend on it, and some people are quietly using it to work smarter, not harder. Welcome to another episode of Discover Fun. Today's episode is all about one of the fastest growing modern hobbies and tools of our time, AI tools. This episode of Discover Fun is proudly sponsored by Hobby.Fun. If exploring AI tools excites you, whether for creativity, productivity, or learning, Hobby.Fun helps you connect with like-minded people, discover communities, events, mentors, and new interests around technology and innovation. Download Hobby.Fun today and sign up. It's completely free. In this episode, you'll discover why people use AI tools, what AI really is, popular AI tool categories, famous AI platforms, major AI events, countries leading AI skills I helps you develop, and at the end, we'll rate AI tools using the Discover Fun rating system. Make sure to watch till the end. People use AI tools for different reasons. Some want to save time, some want help creating, some want better results, and some want an advantage in work or business. AI tools help people think faster, work smarter, create more, and solve problems more efficiently. For many, AI isn't replacing creativity, it's amplifying it. AI, or artificial intelligence, is technology designed to simulate human thinking. It learns patterns, it analyzes data, it predicts outcomes. But at its core, AI is a tool. It still depends on how humans use it. AI doesn't replace intelligence, it extends it. Using AI tools reduces mental overload. That's why people feel less stressed when starting tasks. Ideas come faster. Decision-making improves. AI helps offload repetitive thinking so humans can focus on creativity, judgment, and strategy. Writing and research. For emails, scripts, content, and ideas. Popular tools: ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper. Design and images, for posters, logos, and visuals. Popular tools: Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva AI. Video and audio, for editing, voiceovers, and automation. Popular tools: Runway, Pictory, 11 Labs. Business and marketing, for ads, funnels, automation, analytics. Popular tools: HubSpot AI, Go High Level AI, Copy.ai. Coding and tech, for developers and automation. Popular tools: GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Replit AI. These tools are used by students, creators, freelancers, and businesses worldwide. Have you ever used an AI tool before? Comment yes or no below. Some of the most influential people in the world are shaping AI today. Elon Musk believes AI will define humanity's future and has helped push its development and safety. Sam Altman leads OpenAI, bringing AI tools like ChatGPT into everyday life. Sundar Pichai drives AI innovation at Google, powering search, translation, and smart tools used worldwide. Mark Zuckerberg is investing heavily in AI through Meta, focusing on creativity and social connection. Even artists are embracing AI. Musicians, filmmakers, and creators now use AI as a creative partner. AI tools aren't just for engineers. They're changing how the world works, creates, and thinks. Some major AI-focused events include CES, USA, Google I/O, OpenAI Dev Day, Web Summit, AI World Conference. These events shape how AI evolves globally. Some countries leading AI development include United States, China, United Kingdom, Canada, South Korea. These nations invest heavily in research, talent, and innovation. Using AI tools helps develop critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, communication, technical literacy. It doesn't make people lazy. It rewards people who know how to ask better questions. Tips: always verify AI outputs. Be specific with prompts. Use AI as a helper, not a crutch. Fun fact: some AI models have read more text in minutes than a human could read in an entire lifetime. Do you think AI helps creativity or limits it? Share your thoughts in the comments. For many people, exploring AI tools has become a hobby. It includes testing new tools, creating with AI, learning prompt design, building workflows, sharing discoveries. AI becomes part of how people learn and express ideas. AI tools can save time, improve productivity, boost creativity, support learning, enhance decision-making. Let's rate this hobby. Activity, 4 out of 10. Joy, 8.5 out of 10. Cost, low to medium. Skill growth, 9 out of 10. Beginner-friendly, 8.5 out of 10. Average final score, 8.4 out of 10. If this episode helped you understand AI tools better, please like and subscribe to Discover Fun. We explore hobbies, skills, and trends shaping the modern world, and AI tools may be one of the most powerful ones yet. See you in the next episode of Discover Fun.